Let's dive into how setting the right goals can transform your life. Goal setting isn't just about creating a wish list for your future. It's about establishing a clear vision for what you want your life to look like. It gives you direction, motivates you, and helps you measure your progress. Not all goals are created equal. Today we're going to talk about how to set SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, that can lead you to success. If you're here for the first time, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss out on our weekly guides to enhance your life in every aspect. SMART goals bring clarity and focus to your aspirations. For example, instead of saying, "I want to get fit," a SMART goal would be, "I want to lose 10 pounds in 3 months by exercising 4 times a week." This goal ticks all the boxes. It's specific, measurable, achievable, relevant to your health, and time-bound. Setting the goal is the first step, but achieving it requires a plan. Break down your goal into smaller, manageable tasks and set deadlines for each. For instance, if your goal is to learn a new language, start with dedicating an hour a day to study and use language learning apps. Motivation ebbs and flows, and that's normal. To stay on track, remind yourself why you set your goal. Visualize achieving it and how it will improve your life. Surround yourself with supportive people who inspire you to keep pushing forward. Keep a journal or use an app to track your progress. Celebrating small wins along the way is crucial because it boosts your morale and motivation. If you're not progressing as planned, it's a sign to adjust your strategy, not to give up. Challenges and setbacks are inevitable. When faced with obstacles, reassess your approach. Maybe you need to acquire new skills, or perhaps your timeline was too aggressive. Adjust, but don't abandon your goals. Resilience is key. Setting and achieving personal goals is a journey that teaches you discipline, persistence, and self-belief. Remember, the process is just as important as the destination. It's about becoming the man who can achieve his dreams. Before we part ways, if this guide has sparked something in you, please like and subscribe. There's an opportunity to go deeper. By purchasing our ebook, Who Will You Become? For just €9.99, you'll not only gain a comprehensive guide to personal development, but also exclusive access to our Discord server. There, you'll join a community of like-minded individuals, ready to share ideas, challenges, and embark on collaborations that can elevate your journey. Don't miss out on this chance to connect with a network of motivated men. Check out the link in the description for the ebook and how to join our Discord community. Thanks for watching, and let's achieve greatness together.